Let me ask you a question. Do you know how many cases are pending in the Indian courts? It's a really huge amount. 5 crore. That means 50 million cases are pending in the different Indian courts of all level. But if we deeply analyze these cases, at least half of these cases was raised because of some trivial reason, which could have been eliminated provided we have the proper understanding. What is that understanding? That understanding is called the emotional intelligence. To avoid this kind of the conflict, we can easily handle provided we have the knowledge and the applications of the emotional intelligence. So sometimes, instead of responding properly, we come into the reaction mode. So, you know the difference between the reaction and the response. In the reaction mode, what happens if anybody is telling you some things and you do not feel good about it? In such cases, you will be in the reactionary mode. Either to fight or to flight. Then, what happens? In reactionary mode, people used to follow this 2P. I'm not talking about this 2P. I'm talking about the 2P. Means first the panic and then proceed. And that proceed may be the fighting or maybe running away. Now let us imagine the other scenario, that is the proper responding. In the proper responding, we need to use the 4P. 4P. First P is for the pause. You need to listen carefully what is happening, and after that, while you are listening completely from the other side, what's the situation, then it's the time for the process in your brain how to respond. And then you can plan accordingly while you are processing. After that, if you can proceed, you will win the game. So you can avoid the conflict, and whatever you want to get, at least some percentage you will definitely get. So my dear friend, to summarize these discussions, we need to change our approach from 2P to 4P. So 2P is that panic and proceed. 4P is that pause, process, plan and then proceed. We can avoid lot many conflict in our life.